Good morning. It's day 51 and I'm going to hurry up and do my morning routine because I've got to leave and get these kids to school. So the first thing we're going to do is our shot. The rest of it, so today I'll be juicing. Cheers. After the shot, I take my bowlies. I don't like the way these taste, but I've learned if I mix them, like do them together, it's not that bad. So what we're gonna do, so we're gonna take these two together because I don't like this one. I'm gonna save this one for that. I'm gonna take our sea moss gummy, fat burner, and y'all know my shake is always gonna be in the morning 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate, 1 scoop of vanilla protein, 1 tablespoon of Cafe Bustelo, and 1 tablespoon of the best creamer in the whole wide world. Silk, y'all want to sponsor me? Because I talk about y'all every day. Y'all so amazing. And then I got my ice already. I'm gonna add it to my shake. Sorry, I didn't make it. Hurry. That's that. Breakfast to go. This shake always hits no matter what. I'm gonna get Brooke and AJ ready to go. Teens are almost ready. I'll see y'all when I get back home, when I make my tea, because I already feel like I need it. Okay, so I have a cup of tea. I'm gonna add some sea moss to it. This is Dragon Gel. It's Dragon Gel from Holistic Vibes. So we're gonna add some to our tea. Just gonna add it to my hot tea and it'll melt. And you can drink it. Sea moss and green tea. My mother just sent me a picture of her Filipino breakfast, so she just inspired me to make a healthy version of what she was eating. So instead of jasmine rice, I'm gonna use cauliflower rice, and I'm gonna do dinner eggs. So I'll show you how I do dinner eggs. I got the tomatoes and onions cooking on one side and the eggs cooking on the other side. And now that the eggs are just about done, I'm going to mix all of this together. This is my food. I have eggs, onions, tomatoes. They're called dinner eggs, the way they're seasoned. And then I have some cauliflower rice. So this is what I'm gonna eat. Real Filipinos will have this on top of like jasmine rice with some fried spam. But we trying to get some results right now, so this is my substitute. Okay, we're in Corridor Line. Brooklyn's sitting with me, and she said she's reading a magazine. What magazine are you reading?
A kid that fell off a bike in the road.
Alright, well, I'm still full from... I'm still full from
You're
my
off
snack.
key.
I'm still full from my snack because I had a lot of protein and I still don't feel well, so I'm not eating anything right now, but I do have a protein water. It has 15 grams of protein, 0 grams of sugar, 5 electrolytes for hydration, and it has 70 calories. So it's called Ready Protein Water, and this is the orange mango flavor. I actually like it, and it's extra protein, so why not, right? Brooklyn said she wanted to try it. You have to try it before I do, because I don't want you to get sick. Do you like it?
Yes.
You approve?
Stop you because of this. Don't do it.
so Kamora should be getting out in about 15 more minutes. Then we're gonna go pick up Cadence, go home and feed everyone. I'm gonna juice and I have to run to Target. And I also have to write some signs for my husband's business tonight. So we're gonna have a pretty busy day for the second half of the day. So I'll see you guys later when we get back home. Peace. The chicken breast I cooked yesterday, I just chopped it up and I'm gonna warm it up. Okay, so I'm making my husband and I's plates for our dinner. It's noisy because they're playing. So we're gonna start with rice. This is 1/4, it's very small. So I'm doing 1/4 of rice on mine. My husband is just gonna get this. This is the cauliflower rice. Leftover vegetables from yesterday.
Grandma got this crazy.
The chicken, and I need to add this to it.
Stickers. Cheese. Chucky. Yes, I'm Chucky Cheese. It's like they're not working. Let's sit them in again. I'm Chucky Cheese. It's not working. Daddy's gonna try one and I'm gonna try it.
Nope. So wait, I gotta tell you guys a funny story. That beautiful plate of food I made my husband, my child knocked the whole plate on the floor.
Name the child.
Brooklyn.
Okay.
Dropped the whole plate on the floor and it splattered everywhere. So I gave him my plate, cleaned up the mess, and left and went to Target. And I already feel better because I got a really good drink and a really pretty cup. So I feel better now. Okay, that's my TED Talk. Bye.
It's weird.
Spend my points on this.
You want some of my juice?
Juice?
Chinese, Japanese, dirty knees. Look at these. You said dirty knees like you're touching your eyeball.
Alright, it's that time again. It's time to juice. I just got home from the store. So I am juicing for the next couple days. So we got ginger, lemon. I always do 2 ginger roots and 4 lemons. These lemons are not that big. They're usually bigger, so this is going to be a very strong batch. So, I'm not even gonna lie, I am doing absolutely horrible with drinking my night shake. And it's just because I just be doing too much. I be doing too much, and now it's time for me to have my shake, and I'm just tired, and I'm ready to edit this video and go to bed. So I'm not gonna have a shake. I'm just gonna do all my nightly supplements, and that's that. I know I barely ate today, but I don't really feel good, and I don't know. Tomorrow's gonna be a better day. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Wednesdays are always good. So I'm gonna take my fat burner first. The Organics Nature. Again, it's in my link tree in the description for this video if you want to order them. I'm just using them for 30 days to see my results. I am 100% still an herbalifer, so don't get it twisted. This is my fat burner from Organics Nature. And this is my sea moss gummies. Herbalife don't have sea moss, so I buy it from them. I'm also doing apple cider vinegar and super green gummies with the super greens because these are not tasty like super greens, so I gotta do both at one time. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my treatment now and drink a lot of water. I know this hasn't been the best vlog, but just being real, being honest. I had a couple times today where I was just like, I'm not gonna record anymore, it doesn't make any sense, but I'm gonna keep going. I just be having those moments when I get overwhelmed with a lot of stuff because I'm doing a lot of things right now, but on top of my, but it's okay. It's gonna get better, right, Willow? So that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.